Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about problem solving through programming in C, week 3 programming assignment solutions in NPTEL Swayam. In the previous video, we are already discussed week 3 assignment solutions. Now in this video, we have to discuss about programming assignment solutions for week 3 in NPTEL Swayam of problem solving through programming in C. So program 1, write a C program to calculate the area of a circle given its radius. The value of pi is 3.14. Already some part of the program is given. Hash define pi 3.14. That means pi value can be defined as 3.14 in the given program. In the main function, radius value can be declared as integer variable, area variable can be declared as floating point variable, and radius of the circle can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Now we have to calculate the area of a circle. We already know that the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. So pi value is nothing but 3.14 and radius value is already read from the keyboard. So here we have to write area is equal to pi into radius semicolon. This is the formula for calculating the area of a circle. Once we are calculating the area of a circle, now we have to print the area by using this statement. Already it is given in the program. Now we have to save this program. Next we have to compile this program. So see this one, compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Here test case 1, input value 42, area of a circle is 5538.96. Test case 2, input value 50, area of a circle is 7850. So this is the expected output. We are getting the actual output. Both expected output and actual output both are same. Then we have to pass both test cases. So then we have to submit. Whenever we are submitting the program, then so test cases all passed. Okay. Once we are getting this status, your program is correct. Okay. Next we can go for program 2. Write a C program to check if a given number is 0 or a positive or negative using if else a statement. Okay. So now in the main program, so we are declaring a variable called number. Its data type is double. That number can be read from the keyboard by using a scanf function. Now we have to check whether the given number that is read from the keyboard is 0 or a positive or a negative by using if else statement. If number equal to 0, then we can say that printf the number is 0. So here they are given hints. The same can be copied and pasted here. Okay, here the number is 0. After 0, so decimal point or full stop. It is compulsory. So without this full stop, we are not passing the test cases. The same printf statement as it is, copy and paste it. Okay. Next. Else, if number greater than 0, number greater than 0, then we have to printf positive number. If the number is greater than 0, we can say that it is a positive number. After number, we have to place full stop, double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. Next, last one is else. Else, we can printf negative number. Double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. Else close, return 0. After that, we have to close the main function. So this is the program. Now, whatever the number that are read from the keyboard, we have to check whether the number equal to 0. We can say that the number is 0. Otherwise, we have to check whether the number is greater than 0. Hence, we can say that it is a positive number. Okay. Otherwise, we can check the number is a negative number. So, save as draft, compile and run. Now, see this one. Compilation passed, public test cases 3 by 3 passed. Test case 1, input value 14.05 we are given. We can say that it is a positive number. Expected output is positive number. Actual output is positive number. Status is passed. Test case 2, we are given 0.45. So 0.45 is also a positive number. Expected output is positive number. Actual output is positive number. Test case is passed. Next, test case 3, we are given the number minus 0.9. So expected output is negative number, actual output is also negative number, and status is passed. Okay, whenever the 3 test cases are passed, we can say that our program is correct. Then we have to submit it. So see this one, test case 1 passed and test case 2 is also passed. Okay, once we are getting this status, then we have to stop the program and go for the next program. So now we can go for the program 3. Write a C program to check whether a given number or integer is even or odd. Okay. So in the main function, the number can be declared as integer variable. That number can be read from the keyboard by using a scanf function. Now, whatever the number that are read from the keyboard, we have to check whether the number is odd number or even number. So the logic is, if number modulus operator 2 equal to 0. That means the given number is divided with 0. Once we are getting the remainder value is 0, then we can say that, so printf percentage d is even dot double quotes comma number. So see this one here, already they can give this statement. This statement is as it is copied and pasted. Okay. Else, so printf percentage d is odd. Full stop, double quotes and comma number. Parenthesis close, semicolon, else close, return 0, main close. So this is the given program. Whatever the number is read from the keyboard, that number can be divided with 2. Once we are getting the remainder value 0, then we can say that the given number is even number. Otherwise, the given number is odd number. To get the remainder value, we have to use modulus operator. Okay. Now we have to save this program. Next, press on compile and run button. See this one. Compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Test case 1, given number is 116, expected output is 116 is even, actual output is 116 is even. Status is passed. Test case 2, given input number is 51, expected output is 51 is odd, actual output is 51 is odd. Here after odd full stop is also compulsory. Status, test case is passed. Once we are getting the 2 test cases are passed, then we have to submit this program. So see this one, test case 1 passed, test case 2 passed. Okay. Next we can go for program 4. So in the program 4, write a C program to find the largest number among 3 numbers using if and logical operator. In the main program, we are declaring n1, n2, n3 variables are integer variables. That 3 integer variable values are read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Okay. Now we have to write the logic for calculating the biggest of 3 numbers, that is the largest of 3 numbers, by using if condition and logical operators. If n1 greater than n2, logical and n1 greater than n3, if n1 value is greater than n2 value and n1 value is greater than n3 value, we can say that n1 is the largest number. We have to printf percentage d is the largest number, double quotes and comma n1. n1 is the largest number. Next, if n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3. Here this is one expression and this is another expression. If both expressions are true, the total expression, the total condition is true. If any one expression is false, the total condition is false. If both expressions are false, the total condition is false. Okay. If the entire expression is true, the statement within the if block is executed. Next, else if n2 greater than n3, then we can say that already n1 is the largest number is completed. Suppose n1 is greater than n2 is failed, n1 is greater than n3 is also failed, then we have to say that n1 is the largest is not the largest number. At that time we can go for next condition, else if n2 is greater than n3. Suppose n2 value is greater than n3, we can say that printf percentage d is the largest number dot double quotes and comma n2. Next, last case, else if n1 is greater than n2 is failed and n1 is greater than n3 is also failed, then we have to check n2 is greater than n3. It is also false, then we can say that printf n3 is the largest number. Percentage d is the largest number. Here also double quotes. Then else block is closed and main function is closed. Before that one we have to write a return 0 semicolon. Now we have to save this program, compile and run this program. See this one, compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Test case 1. Here n1 value is 45, n2 value is 34 and n3 value is 67. Among the three numbers, which is the largest number? 67. Expected output is 67 is the largest number. Actual output is 67 is the largest number. So both the expected output and actual output both are same. So status is passed. Test case 2. n1 value is minus 9, n2 value is minus 4, n3 value is minus 20. So, which is the largest number among them? Minus 4 is the largest number. So, in the once we are giving the negative values, in the negative values, whatever the smallest number, that is the largest number. So, minus 4 is the largest number. This is the expected output. Actual output is also minus 4 is the largest number. Status is passed. Once we are getting the two test cases are passed, then our program is correct. Then we have to submit that program. See this one, test case 1 passed. Once we are getting the status is passed, we have to stop the program. So this is the four programs of week 3 programming assignment. Program 1, program 2, program 3, program 4. I hope all of you understanding this concept. So please open this in laptop, because in the cell the font size is very small. So that please open in the laptop and write the code whatever I am discussing. Then your 4 programs are passed all test cases and you pass the 4 programs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope all of you understanding that video. If you really understanding this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates, and please subscribe my YouTube channel DIVVELA Srinivasa. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel DIVVELA Srinivasa. For getting future assignment solutions, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all for watching this video.